In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Base44 app into SaaS product. We're going to walk through the core setup needed to take a Base44 app and make it feel more like a real software as a service product. The goal here is to prepare your app for users, accounts, and recurring payments in a clean and practical way. First, head over to Base44 and open the app builder. Once you're inside, look for the prompt box, since that's where you'll give Base44 the instructions that shape your app. This is the key starting point because instead of manually building every feature, you're guiding the builder to generate the functionality you need. In the prompt box, ask the builder to enable built-in user authentication, including options like Google sign-in or email login so people can create their own personal profiles. This step is especially important for any SaaS product because user accounts are what allow each customer to have their own space inside the app. It also creates the foundation for tracking access, storing user-specific data, and connecting subscriptions to the correct account. Once the prompt has finished running and the app has updated, take a moment to review the result. Make sure the authentication flow has been added properly and that the app now supports sign-up and login behavior in a way that makes sense for your product. It's always a good idea to verify this before moving on because the rest of your SaaS setup depends on users being able to access their accounts reliably. Next, go to your project dashboard. This is where you'll manage the more technical parts of turning the app into a business-ready product. From there, add your payment-related credentials to the project environment secrets. Keep those values stored securely in the environment settings rather than placing them directly in your app logic. After that, implement checkout sessions, customer billing portals, and webhook listeners so the app can handle recurring subscriptions. These pieces work together to let customers subscribe, manage their billing, and keep your app informed when payment events happen, such as a new subscription, a renewal, or a cancellation. Finally, update your database. This step ties everything together. Your database should reflect the subscription state for each user so your app knows who has access to paid features and who does not. Keeping this data accurate is essential for a smooth customer experience and for making your SaaS product function properly over time. Once you've completed these pieces, your Base44 app will be much closer to operating like a true SaaS product with authentication, billing, and subscription tracking all working together.